Little tiny thing like that. Little Koppel bee. Really nice. Hello, this is BJ from Hearns Hobbies, and I'm going to be looking at a train today. It's this one. Can you see it? It's pretty tiny. This is a TGW Koppel bee, and these are made in Japan. So the train itself is, well, Koppel is a German manufacturer of trains. And in the early days of Japanese railway, they did use quite a lot of locomotives from all over the world. So German were quite popular, and it is a very, very small unit. So you can see that from the top camera there. You can see it on my hands, very, very small. It's N scale, but it's very nicely detailed for a little locomotive. You can see the valve gear on the sides there as well. And then you can see the drive system, some of the chunky nylon gears. And then you can see the upright motor, which is just there inside the driver's compartment there. Let's see if I can get that a bit tighter. How's that? See a bit more detail there, can you? This one's in a nice green. You can get this in multiple colours. I think there's a blue as well, and a black. See that seam stack there? Nice profile. And I quite like the contrasting of the green and the red as well. Nice. Okay, so let's see it running. Now I've got the layout which Marlon and Brett built. This is actually designed for HO, so it may have a little bit of tight spots, but if so, I'll just run it a bit faster and make sure it jumps over all those little bumpy bits, eh? Right, so let's just pop it there, fire it up, off it goes. Oh, you can see that, because some of the ballast is a little bit high, so it's rubbing against the bottom of the chassis because the N scale is a bit lower. But it does run very, very well. It looks especially nice with a sideways view. You'll be able to see all the valve gear moving. Oh, just hit a high spot. There we go. Off you go, do a little bit of a jump. Now the amazing thing is these can actually travel really, really quick. Looks totally unrealistic, but they can fly. Now obviously it looks really smooth when it's running so fast. But the slowest I can get it was probably about the same as before. Oh, see, it starts getting stuck on the high bits of ballast. Let's give it a bit more speed. That's probably good where it can have some momentum to actually keep running on this particular layout. Simply because we didn't think about running N scale on here. But it does look pretty cool running around. How good is it? Let's try it the other direction. Let's go in reverse. Oh, that's a bit fast. How's that? That's more like it. That's probably good speed to keep it going. Alright, thank you for seeing me drive around this little TGW locomotive. Little tiny thing like that. Really nice. Little Koppel bee. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please give me a like below and think about subscribing if you'd like to see more interesting content like this. So thank you very much.